quay đến tận tụi vậy tức là ngài mình tình sườn đây liền mình thọ nên là tao lo phải ra quan tập mà chúng ta tụi vậy hết mà cái này mình thọ mình trong program ngài mày organizer bằng tập mà chúng tôi quay hay là support my students leader bằng nghề mà bằng bằng thêm mà support my trong personality bằng diet stock mà share sự sắp đầu thêm mà phải đến trong program tan tweet mà khang tan là bằng vậy my organizer bằng tập mà chúng tôi thêm đến tập mà salon này mình trong ngày ada khá là hai mà cái cũng phần sự nên nhiều rồi là tại nên thôi còn là mình trong program này mình invite salon mà tập chúng tôi thêm là tập mà salon này cũng mà ram thọ cũng mà trong first time thì trong first visit cũng mà quăng mình lúng thọ cũng mà tan cây với cây là bao mình quần sụt thì cái ram này hay vậy nên lúng mình đại cái lúng thì nó quần này là cũng mà nín lâu ấy làm cho tàu cái làm hay đi mua đầu nó mình trồng cây lúng đây tụi em mình trồng cây lúng hay nó cũng mà quần sẽ đi nằm vàng giang mình quay cả organize là cái có phải trong program tại mấy cái sự là bao mình hay lúng mình tại cái lúng thì là đây thì mình mà mình rồi là mà feel sự là thế mà lúng mình tại là bao mình cũng học cái đó là cũng soi hiện lên bu nó mà tí đâu mình sẽ cái đấy thôi thì mình mà sao đó đi mình còn thế cũng mà cái gan hay tàu về 2:15 hay cái thế cũng mà hay đi akan allotment to 160 minutes ek masalah na kami ni kang lung patek man wait ni karam ko ni ek masalah ni nito nge thapu merena ai guide ni career counseling ko ma so guide ak masawang bitong ni mage kung pansani khat kanai ko ma program students pang dong career counseling to program na ni kan ko ka taw lo na ko ma ta taw lo mai hai ko ma khat kanai ko ma ta taw lo the ko kan ko lumagta godak na tong program pang to masalaw me pang hai video recording salaw nak ma YouTube particular mai ko mai ro nak ma hauda to tong ni nai the ai to high tech so me masai ra again kung pansani kung te me tong speech khat kanai ko ma YouTube por ko ni ra be the boy to boy tong area ko bang ko ni ma su taw khat kanai ni nai ni no when student pang ko ma pansani ma sai ni marking law da loi tho te masala ni tong the ko ma atong speech kai ma khaw ka lo pui pu ka we na question han na ba mi ko ta ai ka ti na ma highlight sa lo ni no pang ti hai pui pu pang we na kano the man sai so lo ni mai ro na tong intention ko na to ma thau the kum kwan sa ni no ta ka siak mi tong challenges ka kum pui kha we na ma share sa na ba mi ko ta ani to present ko ma ani no ma mi pui ti he kum ti mi to tong real experience ko sa na to thai ma ge kum kwan sa ni kum katina sa lo ni akai tong family experience na pui ani to sir nam tong mai ni tong family experience share so ane ko me kho ka ro katina sa lo ni me na pui pu bang re na mai ta lum mai ta no bang kho ti thai but me ni pai important ko ne te me ta ninge as nang le ho rak snu ni tong ram ge nang ta lum ma ge to ka ne te cho bo apui re ta lum ma ge te me to kho pai na ni ka disheartened so we discouraged we ne tong swan ni tong area ka te na na ba ko sa ni swan ni tong area ka ni overlook sa na ka ni tong achievement na khat ka nai dai ni tong khat ka nai te ni acknowledge sa na thun ku lao ka da ko thun ku lao kam ge te nang thu atati na fail so ni tong ma ga nang ri na aka ka kum me tong sa se ni me nang di the ka me ta la ga ni tong la ta nzien me te bu la na khani ani discourage me ka lum ma ga nang la ho wai ma me te nang la la pe la liam ta la ma to ni tong la negative tong words ta sin gai pa la ki so ni lo resource person ni so ka ne nzien ni tong la ka ro bu na so la ma ani important so le ma ani uta ahan nang ta lum de nang ta kana sin ti fails ni tong ma ga to the time to time ani pui pu pang no pang ha ma reinforce so that yam ti me ti as apu ya pura ta lum ba mi kan ba I fails no ma ga to ta ni obligation a hat pa ren no so na lu ha mi kan ba mi ti ni thok ma ko ne to mi ta ma so ma share sa ni mi to ne tao hai ani pa ta tu the ta ma college ka mi kan ba le ko si hak na college ka si nong ni nine na ba mi kan ni ma encounter so de ko mi kan ko pui pu pang response na nang ni thang te ko ma college ta na ba mi hai nang ni su na su bang kan di the kai tong za nang ro ung ko di the ta lum ma bam tong the na ka lum la ma bam mi tong the ta mi kan me pui me pu ra mi ta phone su wang mi kan ko as ko sang sak ni nge me pui me pu ra mi ta lum hak ko mi kan ko ai le ri posit bam nu ma ding the ai karam zit bam nu ma ding the ti tong lung ning ta me thang obligation ta sa pat mi tong nai mi ta chu pat ma ai ka lo pui kha re na than ka me tong question ko ta ai ding kha wai ti mi tong ka tong experience ka te ne mi ma share sa lo ne ta ma ning la mi ma share sa na bam te na the kuma anyway kuma ang topic tilaw na anay program ko sunod to ang topic tilaw na may kuma printed note ko to hawra makaya kuma sini ay to exclusively student pang ano career to nga mga kainas pala ni to resource person kanay pinapay na the topic the dynamics so hak mitong kapay na overall kuma cover sa salong ate kuma students pang are salong ni mirani to resource person khadik ma solo ko mit kani resource ko mitong points ko at ani pa ina kuma health so the ato preparation ko kani pa ina kuma salong ate kuma are thalong ni mirana what do you want to do in life to me and ni rona question thande so to mit kuma to students pang kuma salong ni what do you want to do in life ako response ma sa ni mitong hai nang niyo ko kakhat ba ka ai lung ba mitong panti ai hai kum ni ye to ke hanan niyo kakhat daw ni kakhat ma saw ni ta thalo ni ye kakhat ha okay it's okay like career counseling suna nang niyo rin ai so ni mito ai atong panti ko hai ka ta din ne da an tan che te I want to do this me tan tan che te we don't need this kind of program ne ane ko mitong program ni ke ma ke Kumeti thopo perina career confusion na moving thai tani kham career guidance career counseling heti lawni ding thai heku mage ko be tho kani takni mi tong sangkam hai kani confusion sukne the kani tong follow ka ge nai thai ka ning la na ni tong leaders from mi tong program hai la tong tai it's okay to be confused Oma nang class 10 wai thai to bui tong line to tani so class 12 wai thai to bui tong line to tani so to confused na ba mi ta I just want to tell you that it's okay to have that confusion nang ni kuma confuse mo sulaw itong stage hai kuma nai de kumeti ke thau kum ri na to I want to do this to me ta I don't touch it yang atong panti ko patong line ko tani the ka touch it yang ba mi nai ko te mi ne right so it kumeti ke thau kum ri confuse na ba mi nai ke I hope this session will make a sense ni mi tong session ni ni ka te na se hong ko lo me session so ko ngai dan tak maninge kuma there's some few questions that which you can ask yourself. Number one, some question na what do I want to do in life, or where do I want to go? Ne, putong basic question na number one kagan putong question na thano ko began pa ni tong outlook ni. Oh, I to butun tak ni bang sukalere kasama ba mi hai just for the sake of apamipang kalere kasama ko na ora mo ta kapuya pure na lere kasama ho to na kasama ko ngani. Or I want to have a better life after 5 years down the line or after 7 years down the line. Tao, nai na ba mitong panti, tingkum pumutang, tingkum sanay tang, how do I see myself? Arona ay to itong position ko ba ta ay kahabo. Okay, mitong question pa nga nilo na ba mi ano, kumatano to mit masalaw ni. He comment ni ni ko pa ina, oh, atong panti nang tong purpose of life na with the nang career part to me ani ta boti mi tong career tong sangkam nang tong career part hai thak chi te na thaye te na tong purpose of life ni ko na ne ta masala ni ani tong career ai ta ni school ku na ba mi tong panti hai ai ko pesu kham ko me ten thak chi te ma ge we ni tho nang tong lunga ba mi tong panti tong purpose ke na identify sunga ma ne ko me ani tong career part hai I thought what you don't sangam, I take to it. Touch it, Yakane, long about it, and you panty rubber, but you love about it, panty of purpose, and it identifies to play, the Mamika of Masalani, don't take. Omedan, we don't career part with one career, or Komata, what you make someone, the son of Bamiton. Now, me don't, any career, but what you don't someone how. There you will encounter lots of crossroads. Crossroad I want to tell you again, it's okay to go through that phase. Crossroad crossroad just example, class 10 class 10 right after class 10 crossroad stream selection crossroad either to take science, either to take arts, or either to take commerce option crossroad May class 10 going to arts locally, science locally, commerce locally, or I'm going to do diploma course direct locally, and which are vocational course direct locally. Have no confusion, I crossroad. Come the time with them, me to class 10 to face and by the Megan, class 12 at Pukai, class 12 at Pukai the Megan, another crossroad. Which professional course? To go to professional course to ay tagot puni bo to kada na to crossroad akat pada puni the medyo crossroad pa ina ko maka encounters to be he ko mam sene medyo crossroad ko boy that solve so khang ram me ka te sene assistance lo khang to medyo motive behind medyo purpose but the asai yak ma career counseling halang ko medyo pay the magloi na masala da ni to the kuma medyo crossroad pang ta kumiti ka crossroad ko ta intervene kyo to buitia so ani to boy medyo crossroad ko ta self solve so ni na to kan ko nang to relevant of choice ram me te atong tathaw medyo crossroad ko boy ko ta fact there are some factors that which you need to consider to overcome those crossroad to overcome factors nasa isara ne na to career choice so kan kana some factors that which you need to consider me te kai na mita ko to mai ta na kai ko umai the kuma act so da khamni he sendui investment to nam kai pui khale so ka me ko ne ko masala da ni he ani no hai career choice so kan tha nang to informed career decision to to nang decision lo tree na lo la na nang tong interest at the puiso nang tong aptitude nang ho sungam tong ability ke the puiso nang tong personality ke the puiso hai ka boy de nang ka thai so ni ka thai la na nang career choose so me kan ka decision lottery na lo na nang career choose so me kan ka ka tong education tong process ka education some kind tong process ka sian involved so me ka boy that become an investment the investment de na ko lo ko without informed career decision, if you are taking a decision by chance, I mean of course that I doctors, so engineers, so I UPSC exam ho kham, IAS so kham, any kind of career decision if you are taking that decision by chance to accidentally or apa me pui ko malobang ko hina ani lokham tani the apui re so ko hina ko sukham tani the atong cousin sister atong cousin brother na hai ga he ko hina ko so kani the to if you are taking that decision by chance see doing education ko involves make a way that it's become an expenditure what ko the ani investment return and hang tani to ma okay ko me education to process ka informed career decision to me nang tong personality nang tong interest nang tong ability hai ko boy hai me tong based on this factor nang khat lo la nang career choice nang lo way to me tong education tong process ko sendui involves me ko boy ta investment day to me ko pi ku pang ne masala ni the kuma ani student pang kham me kai no pang presala ni me na ani me tong investment returns ka ha ne ko karam ni the to me masala ni to the kumna na samla mo sa have it career counseling program hai kuma suna bam the kumena ko what is career hai pa in importance the ani hai work job and career to me ko ani kuma pa ina akhat na re to ni kuma kan ga ina kuma lo hai comment ke mi tong difference ni ai kuma sala ni work to me anything that which you do ni ram kuma ta ni mi ta kuma ta ho to nang ta lo mi to she the top sien dois na to ti la he de me te re work the way de me ki to boi bo ke asai hai example ka ani to program he wai thak roi na ko me tong hall hai pom te no ma the ko me te sun than pa la hon su ani mo ko ina sun than pa the anang me tong sun than pa ni ki te nang sien thang de sam sien thang ni tong la ke ni ko me ki me te work to the de or me te tai ka sai apui nagan songa apui ro na nagan songa apui nagan song le ro de hai an kho lo ni the na nang pui nagan songa me ta song kho lo mai ko mai me tong song kho lo na ba me ta nang sen dui phang dai sen phang dai phang ge ni me ta work to the de ko ma ka tong term hai ni ma clarity so lo me ta how de ko na job to the me to pui bo to me kan job to the kane de ho nang ta ni me ta kha for the purpose of being paid only. Nang sin doing pang kang to me to motive ko ta me that job to the ni nang tan kha to tan kha da na ani mai lo ma ba mi hai ani mai koi na thai ai counselors na ba mi thai ni to SGO sap thai ram ko te ani to NGO to mai da mi thai to ta na lu ga ba mi ka koi lao ta mi ni thai zo so na ba mi ni thai doctors na ba mi thai any kind of profession ko tagot na ba may kaway sendui ke na mi ron na di thek lam to ani to survival kang ani to bread and butter kang ting me pum hai ko mat pum na jang na bang kang hai sendui he pai na nai ne me te to ngang khat na sendui ke ma ge ke tu ma ke sendui ke na mi ron na di thek kom tina as I learning some of things. This example, I am tanda many time. Any kind of job, any kind of thing, any kind of work, any kind of occupation, I thought that doing hang that you take we don't more just for the sake of being paid. That we call this as a job. Meant to the job to take it. Community is very important in life. Career to the importance of the take. Make you the result of career to which you will have an interest. Now interest na may take interest with it had ni interest with wisdom. Interest with wisdom. Something that which you enjoy doing it. Ne. Now enjoy something that which you like or something that which you enjoy doing it. May tell you interest. Come career mo nang to interest na may take and career to me nang to interest na aptitude to me aptitude to me to be board again ability nang tanga me to intelligence ne tanga me to intelligence na manai ability to and which you also get paid for it nang to interest in just amazing student without work job career ani ko so kai ka me lu nang tong panti ka khat lo zawo nang tong panti work tong category ko ke your lifetime na ends lo ni job to me tong category ko ke tong lifetime ends lo ni or up ke career ko ke tong lifetime ends lo ni so to me career to nang interest na ni nang tanga me to intelligence nang tong aptitude ni na ni and you also get paid for it nang sian duin ni phang ko ni ito ba ni ito dan Zimni bo, Zimni begini, okay. I demand normal as so the nan neo. King but I don't demand normal as so hard. Okay, I have some gum as so right there. Come on, I don't kind of ram it on latte. So the gate, Maram Sigam, and they come to Europe there. The personnel to I Sigam, yeah. Just in between, I just recently at February 21, I did wedding. Come on, wait out here. I come around rock me now, so okay. Anh dễ với nào sự tất nhiên là thế, cũng mà làm cái tàu vậy cái cũng làm được là mình điều với thế, cũng sẽ đi cũng mà làm mix là sau cũng sẽ đi cái to để đi, ok, cũng mà mấy thứ cái làm thật thế, cũng mà work job career thì mình cũng mà mấy thứ thay thay là what thì cũng mà salary mình cũng thay career thì mình hay, anh ấy cũng quan trọng vào, anh ấy cũng life, anh ấy good career guide một lần anh ấy nang niyo sila pa ne ket ho nang niyo pa tin ne lo ne interest na ni the na tan no to intelligence na ni the kom tena there is a question of job satisfaction ni ta career counseling sustu in sula mo ge with it nang tan bang to sin tu pa ina ni earns na bang to ke na ho job satisfaction ma to ke sa ni na the kalam to kom tena sin tu pa ina earns la na to su tena kan ne lo ma kom su to ni questions with the night here. Kuma, Ramagay to tell, Sindri, a pay in the arms, and a status guy who comes today, like there are some big shorts. Kuma, Kanu Rona, and no Panti, the Rona, suicide, so we don't. Masai night there. Sindri, make complete happiness in there. For example, career choose, not interest, not interest, don't put that, not come and alone and not tiny. Tana into intelligence in a night, must send doing it hung to the factors ng career choose factors ng kakataw ng karisolo interest ng area the zauton atong interest area the result of the zauton number 2 aptitude ako to mo itong dingding ako kay ma do to dili ko makakataw to aptitude means something that which you are good at or the area that which you are good at or what I do well. Interest na aptitude and difference na interest of something that which I like nang how much something that which you enjoy doing it nang taan na ba mo enjoy sa to comedic aptitude to connect to something like an area that which you are good at nang susuy mo area that or some the areas that which I do well nang susuy mo area comedic interest nang to career choose mo kang de ay atong overall important message we have boys and girls are solely nang tong career choose sumigan thoni you don't have to look at any other factor comment the most importantly atong interest with the buso ko bitin ang puto nang ako taboy tong ningting na ako taboy tong aptitude na taboy tong intelligence na ako kay na go to bitin ang kanto kung na atong personality ha taboy tong personality so mitong three factor ha very important hai may career choose sumigan ko nang tong interest akan mo na so dali he nang tong interest hay lana choose to nang tong aptitude nang tong intelligence hay lana choose to kung na nang atong personality hay lana nang choose to the saloni mi tong taw personality to mi kan ko mansay kan sa na calm and compose sumana zuri rina zam mi ma personality na hay ko bitang tan hai gage na mi tong tan na de ra basa na outspoken sumana na lat hai ka lat soli ma na ra magete social tani ma expressive sumati na sai na ya katong personality ka maths mi tong area ko tani zam ani career choose ni he tong just example I lakhana hasaloni ya mi tong factor na let me take the example of singing luswan mi tong in the soko I had luswan ko pa na interest na yo I had pa na luswan ko interest na te do anything to do with music or anything to do with singing I interest na music atong free time how I listen to the music ramage tija atong tapoy sa music ko I interest na yo medyo atong interest factor ne kumete gyud ako aptitude to mato swangam mitong intelligence ramte swangam mitong ability ko ako mato kumete can I be a good singer I singer sungam kulitan no me have new career choice community ke ani how career counseling su ilama purena most of the cases ani to students ma mal ko both ke they choose a career kani to career choose me interest based corona ka kani career choose hai intelligence based corona ma interest based corona ka career choose so bigan ko ani ko ma pa ina ari da to kuma let me tell you interest ni it can change from time to time na class 6 7 ko interest na ba mi kuata class 8 9 ko da mi kan interest mi to interest ka lain ko de kuma nang 9 10 ko interest na ha ko mi kuata 11 12 ko da mi kan ko na interest ma to ba mo de kuma example career choose mi kan ni interest factor ko na ka ni ka khat na ni career choose ko ai the de mi ko ni to phai soi mi the de kuma ke more than that mi ti kan so mo nang to aptitude nang to intelligence ko nang to ability ko ta career choose ni ai to example I lose one with example ko so mita interest ko na I lose one with interest na ni kuiti na I want to become a singer na I singing tong line ko ta kan ko no ato I singer gan so nga magay kalam to ako wan gan okay I look up look date minutes one nga magay look back minutes one time okay different kind of one ko so ni as one time kuma ito I attitude ma na interest based ko na I singer so nga wait ito no sorry, kung may ito ay singer gan so nga magay ito example da kuma so pa mito kung may interest aptitude kung may personality tani mitong three factor da ay kuma nang niyo kakatsoy na kakatawa to da kuma sa lalim ito kung na ano yung resource person rin so lo kane sendui tong factor kung ta ano yung excuse video to kani kung sa way kung sa as a career counselor I often say also that know your family income also ang kung family tong financial status ni nang kuma mitini ka khai akaron ang career tong line to ni mikan auto mitini kung sa lori nito make mitiri na nang challenges so na mitiri na pull that factor from her again but you should be wise enough to know even your families nang tong akajong sendui tong position ne ako ina ako tong sendui tong position ne ako si mitong status to babo to mitini ni ignore so okay to mitini kung may tanong pa mo sa lori nito kung dala na time factor dakan ke I mitong career tong line ko tagot ulit tagot mi kan ko mitong career tong line ko tagot mi kan ko tingkong asung no ni bo tingkong asung tang ai ta ni ta tha mo ni bo that you should be smart enough to calculate the time factor ne I think kung ta ni class time may class I think kung sanay ta na may tingkong pung ta ai ta bitong position ko bambo mitong line ko tagot mi kan ko dakan bi I mitong course akat tagot mi kan ko tingkong pung ta atong earning na yung ha walang ganitong course sa niya kung asumtang ka atong investment to be for returns da po that time factor ni magay masalali ito kung na and always encourage the students to have a backup plan as a career counselor. And my backup plan is the wall to be my students to masawe. Umlana mitum factor panghenang koma kakhan thene atom interest yaw, atom aptitude yaw, atom personality yaw. Ay kaboy kakhan kaidana. Still, you are not in a position to take decision. Committee, please take the help of an expert. Expert pangtong suggestion, expert pangtong help lo kani misabreo de masalani mitong ay tato pailan na help sa mitong area ay pailan ay you can just contact the teachers nang to kaso pani approach nung or you can take the help of any of your students leader pangtong help nila and you can take the help of the career counselor tato ni mo tandi ho na career counselor pangalong dito na ni career counselor pangtong help at malon pe masalani mitong again, now it comes to a very important thing. Make a boy at tawo, nang stocks atong interest kita buitun desa, atong personality kita buitun desa, atong interest, atong attitude kita buitun desa. Ma'am, sorry, ba may decision lo nga magay dito. There is a simple solution tao ni. Ano yung kapay na tao kandi itong gan pili dahil tao na konte. There is an assessment tool for all this. As nang tong interest yung hayasi, nang tong intelligence yung hayasi, nang tong personality yung hayasi itong test itong standardized tools at manay that we call it as psychometric test ni. Psychometric test ako masutho. Psychometric test is sumitan ko. Oh, nang tong interest hay nang tong personality hay nang tong intelligence yung hay and according to all this nang tong intelligence zaw na nang tong personality hay zaw na nang tong attitude hay zaw na nang hay mitong career ko nang fit way nang mitong career ko nang tatlong way career counselor ko ma-help sa loob ng ganung that you can do that test even at my center ni nang tamang lang nang mitong psychometric test ani ko atong center atong counseling center ani ko test no way ko masalani mitong Committee aside mitong psychometric test test maksane thoko pelu to ay intelligence da sa kum so kai gan ko atong intelligence na hitun he kum dit hai de decision lo khai kane de is well and good kum la na ani to resource person multiple intelligence so lang ko masalo kane Howard Gardner theory of multiple intelligence so binaye kum la na I will not solid again yeah I'm going to talk about multiple intelligence ani upi ko wene skills so in people there student from there kuma atong analyzation nani ro na psychometric test ke sumaksane o ako patong intelligence with dominance of the result ke kuma mitong intelligence highlight I mitong career highlight tinde ke to decision lo khai so to masalo ni he kuma na ani upi ko wene are salo ni ani upi ko intelligence box kong nae to intelligence na anio robot mani so ini robot mani to dang lo to ni to panti ti lo to nungba anio robot talent khati lawe na so ba nang mi te lo maksa lo meni mi to talent ko to bui to talent jo ani identify so ko ni to thau the kuma mi to talent ko to career se thau to ta le so lo ni meni ma ani to panti ko success ni ha lari hai ni le success to lo ke lari hai ni success to lo ke kumai ko akau I learning swim maths ni robot return robot ra khau ti lam tum talent mitun khau ti lau the tum the identify sala mitun the career se ho to me ta so ba me ne ta just let's start with one intelligence ani people for intelligence box tum khai to me thinking so thinking lo to boy to intelligence box na ho gai je ho to te class 9 10 11 12 kuma identify so bang kare di de kuma first intelligence here. Me to intelligence that that we call as gifted child. Gifted to my IQ to normal to IQ so top in no pang I have so kind of intelligence way 9 anyway. Communicate that percentage by the route. Maybe normal may masay pang intelligence atong intelligence sa hay ka ma identify the identify so na mitong line with the careers and road that masalani mitong but the number one intelligence are salani mirina linguistic intelligence to minae by the word itself linguistic intelligence to minae naida. Because the boys support the boy to intelligence, the sort of sound, the linguistic intelligence, nani. Can you lots of people use sweep head when we talk linguistic intelligence nani. They are very skillful in using words. Lots of people use sweep head. They are very sensitive to the meaning. Lakang to kabo ini kali umat Thai sui mai Thai ngam itu intelligence kali mana itu ta. Kemudian kali communication ini kali sui itu ta. Kalau kata lak asuk mai mensai kata lak sok mai ni mensai kata communicate sama kau ni kali sui bang Thai linguistic intelligence nani bang. Kemudian kali as a student lebih umat students na kau lupa dengan kau buat ke. Kali they enjoy reading all kinds of materials. Kali learning apart from the textbook textbook materials the book reading so interest extra reading ideas thoughts opinions opinions thoughts it's so easy for them to express those opinions to others in such a way that people could understand it easily. No opinion thoughts no ideas explain so express this linguistic potential dominance as a student students activities public speaking storytelling debate competition interest school activities Sunday school public speaking debate competition storytelling activities as a student enjoy linguistic potential I do science one thing linguistic identify so at the end of the session. I careers choose water. Life will enjoy some career life fitness intelligence mark area I will linguistic potential intelligence could be dominance of the career for choose the career like that's so high about now. That's so high about the mind and yes? Lawyer, yes, lawyers, okay. Communicate, there are some that's so high, we have lawyers to be a lawyer, my reasoning skills this all this have me go by a psychometric test of that one. Intelligence diagnosis so there are some areas that overlaps with us. Yes, to be a lawyer, you need to have a good public, you need to have a good communication skills. That's so high to lawyer. Communicate, that's so high. Oh, I'm lawyers, no. They are corporates of my lawyer, it's a teamwork. Court, lawyer, court, no, there are so many lawyers which they need to write the law. He about yes, to be a lawyer, you need to have a good speaking skills. Lawyer tamong nalaya so high pang career. Nanga so high, maybe we had so high that I want to become a doctor. A doctor, so let me have a sort of talking again myself. And I have okay. Maybe tell us so high about profession, lawyers in a way. What about journalism? What about a journalist? Or to work in any kind of media platform? Or what about teachers? You know that. This is a responsive smile there. There are some teachers, classroom over so my subject content explains sun tan che explain su sui na sara na kai ko na ni kan ka le ko da kan sit do long ke to me zona ni ma nai ni comment teacher na so su ye you can choose teaching as an occupation, teaching as a career. Na so time we so time way you can be a teacher. Ni or what about politicians? Politicians, that's also in ma. Okay. What about like communication? And it talks about writing also. Let it be linguistic potentials. There are so many careers that which they can opt for. Example, I saw committee lawyer, journalist, announcer, call center operator, company secretary, administrator, secretary, teachers, translator, interpreter, tour guide. Apa yang career I choose? That's so high. That details I thought that I am okay. Comment that's so high. That me to career, but I so sweet my day. I like his sweet my day. Me to career, but the whole masala. Are you clear with one intelligence? Okay, we'll go to the next. Comment the manhang and then intelligence box, a couple linguistic in an name. How about the company of box that feels to Medina, whatever they might be in a comment the top of the company to intelligence box, a linguistic to intelligence box, and peace might be in a name. That it's okay. Kind of let him last was also not in idea, so lots of time on the side when I can in the name. Commenting it the second part, analytical, logical potential to intelligence at the head. Just the opposite of that linguistic potential. Linguistic is so time become opposite to that with intelligence name. Make your own board, can you have lots of time ahead to make reasoning skills and buy in a head top with a kakat people name. Kakat the company top head to weapon, that's all the company interest mark and my reasoning will top head, application of logic, logical thinking company is a sweet hair. Can you as a student calculation for interest not with her, planning for interest not with her, and analysis with her, situation the pros and cons, advantage, disadvantage, intervention plan, thinking process problem solving skills problem solving skills even calculator, pen, pencil, notebook, they can complete calculation quickly in their head. As a students calculation skills working on computer spreadsheet or database wording. Computer of my so many physical interest physical interest say like computer data any software of my interest as a student, just the opposite of that linguistic potential. Public speaking of my debate competition interest analytical, logical, dominance in public speaking puzzles, games, games we call it that Sudoku. You know, you used to play Sudoku? Sudoku games to keep reasoning formulas games which I do not know their names also. Games as a student interest and football, my outdoor activities interest and calculation to high, logical thinking high, critical thinking problem solving skills and scientists, yes, I heard the word scientist. Scientists engineer, most of the engineers would fall this category. Nang engineers ne je amko ha kung de je gospel engineering line. Very simple as that. Maybe a cousin brother is doing his engineering. Let me also do the so that all the plans or maybe then for intelligence side career just walk the maybe around now if you want to become an accountant, like you need to have this analytical logical potential. You can choose accountant as your career, engineer as your career, a scientist as your career, detective as your career, any kind of bank-related service as your career. So many careers. And in India, we have more than 4,500 careers in IAEGIS. From details of a psychometric, just a brief, highlights of intelligence, ako may meaning class 9, 10, you will be in a position to identify this. Confused that there is a solution. I'm telling you again. We have a standardized people, all psychometric tests that you can come and do the test at the center. Are you clear with number 1 and number 2? Okay, let's go next. Intelligence, we call it as special intelligence. And you know, boring superpower. No. But I can hear lots of murmuring noise. Yeah. Or discussion within yourself, among yourself. Where's that? Special intelligence to within career counseling so we often invite the parents also. Career counseling so we put on the invite so we put on into intelligence we intelligence to dominance of all example so that it all the there is another potential called special potential. Me had the voice water again. Me special intelligence or dominance me maths or interest na English or subject English or interest na literature or interest na visualization. So we talk mental picture or in simple word, they love colors and design. Colors, design, visualization, we do something that mentally picturize as a students, like they will probably would love to draw, would love to paint, painting, drawing, interest like that. Design was also interest like that. As a student, room to setting rearranging the room is fun for me. I experiencing the little machines master master MSc counseling psychology at my personal right after my master, I worked as a school counselor. School counselors at KAENGBIANPANG and also in Novodia, KAENGBIANPANG, I think of 7 years. I worked as a school counselor in Pau. Only way back to 2020 or 21, I come back to Manong. Manong 2021, after COVID-19. District administration to level painting competition to my drawing competition to allow conduct so there are some students painting drawing creative painting has to as a counselor, like, I just feel curious. Painting the artistic how long I had students of that interiors students and work. By painting to mind how artists interest, special potential dominance of the artistic painting like what do you think of this? Careers in a person who unfortunately, students na sa to kapui kapu to support pang to. Kapui kapu they feel that this is useless. Painting ko, my coloring ko, my drawings so ito useless din na ko kataw to. Kumait ito no, ang to mit ko talaga to intelligence, dominant intelligence na pang to. Kung ang artistic so may pang painting, color so may pang creative so talaga time no pang creative so talaga may apa ina intelligence gan may pang kung pa ina career na nae ito masalaw ni ito ani wala pang painting ko may designing colors designing ay pang ko nang interest nae ito din na career apa ina nae masalaw ni ito gidar nang you can be nang choose you can be a building architect, you can be a craft designer, you can be an interior designer, you can choose as an exterior designer, or you can choose a career as a photographer. Nang creativity pang mai nang career pa nang painting, drawing, colors, ay pang interest na pang nang career ni pa ina gan nae sa salon ni you can be a cartoonist, or you can be an animation designer. Course na pa ina kage career pa ina gan dinae masalaw ni ito okay. Are you clear with the special potential? Special intelligence kito ini. May another intelligence we call it as personal intelligence. Personal intelligence to me pang ako mo to me pang meron na kada time mahausana kalulungan ni mansay ng katong renro mi ta kanyo gento no thai da mi pang ni kanyo kung kadalo ni ma kanyo man siya lo ni mi tong sun ay kan mahausana ka ko mi inja bitong potential ay kumna na mansay ng kat asa yang maluming nungay mga kum tibo kumay asa ay katong mood off suma kum ay tumini kanit ko ko kumna thai mi mansay pang ni kumna na they are very sensitive to the other moods and feelings dito. And sa yung katong moods, sa yung katong feelings are quite sensitive sa way to it. Kung na kanil ko quality time, kanil ko leadership skills na eh, to may pangani. They can lead and manage the people. Kanil sa yung katong tanin zero tayo, sa yung katong moods and feelings ni understand sa tayo. Kung na kanil ko management so nga may leadership quality ni na eh, to may hemen sa mahausana sa yung katong ni. Kung na they love social interaction. Kung social interaction ni kuma, kanil bahawe, kung na they learn through social interaction. Kamuya masay ka interaction so bigan ko kanil ko they enjoy and they take that as a learning process. Masay ka zo ta kanil na kanil ko kuma social relationship ay kung kanil maintain sa ni personal relationship ni kuma kanil maintain sa ni kung na they're so aggressive deals of empathy for others. Mansay kang katwin ro na bang mikan ka as mi puy mo din ro habang kaningay katalo tayo as ami puy tong position ko kami ha ani din ro habang tong tingay katalo tayo kanay kanaye ito may mansay kami ay ni intelligence ta karawo pratilang ito intelligence ay ramay we call it as talent ni rawo pratilang ito talent KAHMEI de kumay tiyo namin itong personality kaya ramay itong intelligence kaya nakonat mo ne kaya nam to itong career at choose ni mo itong career at choose ni mo. What about nurse? Yes, nurse. How do you think of this profession? Or like how do you say about teachers? Let's take the example of teachers again. Just let's say that let's so title classroom tong interaction in nung ito kung nakatong second dominant intelligence that personal intelligence ito masakang katan zero time kadalo time then if you are that kind of person who choose a teaching as a profession medyo nang kumpante you will be a great teachers ito din so katulad nakatong classroom tong teaching to interest na handala sa so ito kung sini ano yung students na to may problem pa ina review ano yung problem tadi to so role of them ano yung problem tadi yan todo time okay like we don't consider him or her as a good teacher kung may ano yung problem tadi kung role of them ko ano yan todo time zero time dadalo time to kapalay kung may masay pang teaching if they choose teaching as a profession as a most importantly for a primary teacher, just let's say the example of primary teacher. For a primary teacher, I think linguistic potential is not mandatory. Primary class 5 Bangla bukan sambil itu masuk. Lalu also even also that doesn't matter. Kemudian kita personal intelligence matters dia ni itu kita. Zero time I kan kata low time kan kata simple ni itu sun di naga you can choose primary teacher as your profession. Nih, kemudian apa itu nanti or anything that in which you want to be in the healthcare service, might be a medical doctor or might be a nurse or any kind of profession which relate to healthcare service. Nih, if you want to become a dietitian or nutritionist, hotel manager, manager of sales and marketing, so many careers. Number of personality night, kemudian kita leadership skills they have. They love interaction. They understand someone's mindset feeling. And people who have this intelligence, if they choose to be a social worker, if they choose to be a political scientist or politician, they leader guidance on head Rengpang. You know the name? Okay. We have 10 minutes more, and I'm going to finish within a lot of time. The last one, intelligence, we call it as physical mechanical intelligence. Kemudian career intelligence mostly related on a physical being. Physical relates to my career intelligence. This is a part of the intelligence. Basically related with the physical body. Physical relates to career career let me just sorting it out. Just example, if you want to become a footballer, or if you want to become an athlete, if you want to be in the active service, police officer, the exam, army officers, exam, that I don't overlook. Any kind of active service, armed forces, you will go through lots of interviews, lots of entrance tests, phase 1, phase 2, group discussion, personal interview. But at the end of the day, physical checks of the day. Physically and healthy, so you will be out from that service. By the physical demanding career, like sportsman, or if you want to become a choreographer, if you want to become a dancer, and the body physically the demands of career that we call it as physical intelligence. Or another intelligence we call it as mechanical intelligence. Mechanical intelligence with the voice of work. Mechanical skills student mechanical training mechanical skills they would love operating machines, machineries, interest mechanical skills you can also choose a career like say like if you want to become an electrical engineer or if you want to become a civil engineer, if you want to become a mechanical engineer, mechanical skills, mechanical intelligence with dominance with career in the I saw one before in the I will go back with full of regrets. Maybe I saw one in the windows that made the purpose of coming. I feel this sir. Nay, and the window the name. I thought members of intelligence from intelligence how do we have dominance of my head and they want to identify I thought before I do the test for myself, I intellectual we call it a psychometric test. Psychometric test intelligence it comes out true. The result but on a self-awareness, self-assessment so like my age today we have standardized tools that which are repeatedly telling that test and where there is a word called pom-pom. It's a very interesting term that which I recently identified. the word pom. Because the result okay. And you might now so that kind of intelligence based line. Ako to intelligence line hey identify to career counselor to help or psychometric test. You can do this psychometric test even at Rengpang or even at here in Tamanglong at center test informed career decision test informed career decision intelligence potential itu nih kayak mak career line we will have a pom life because the result peace of mind and plenty of money life students if you want to have a pom life you need to have a informed career decision wealth decision that we also in the law and career line that we have kung lang dan kan ay points ka kanin sa lahat ni tao may pangtuloy na ay kumakalaw so na dilaw mo 1 hour mo ka ay so bilang kumakaswa na ba may tong te comment ke thawpok may na level ko white interest na hanong te class 10 pass ni ay karam sini ang lare kay atong talent ang talakon te na Nungba mini gado mo or ang gaya I learned to come some need it kaya ko circumstances when I further study the kind of Nungba minay there is one institute called Industrial Training Institute registered world Industrial Training Institute mostly of 6 months course in IA or one year course in IA 2 years course in IA mi pang course in IA carpenter work electrician mechanic the surveyor course plumbering course tailoring wireman plumbers I used to wonder plumbers sometimes they come to your house and they fix this. Plumber pangrena can you earn so many in a day they earn more than 1,500. Plumber pangrena ta mystery pangkai ta ana banga wireman ta electric electrification ta ana pangne I feel they earn around 2,000 per day. Kani labor wage ta pa ina ta pina. Kumait ke ano tamang ko kay suna ba mi pangkai tamang ko rin na masoli tayo ang Nungba area di kumambang rin tamang ko kay suna ba mi ko most of the mystery is like wiring suna ba mi kumaira ngai kite underground to electric din kita mi kumai plumber tong tan ko to so mino pang ro na kasudwa to so mino ro na kasudwa kaya niyo letting ko some good kan aliyo ay titine niyo other option that you explore ma to kaya so pang to tawa niyo to research person ni klok so taw ka to kane letting ko good ma wele kane to line ka ba te kane to training na sa ina ta to makale to line ko the arts to we just constructed a small bathroom and they are charging 30,000 and that 30,000 they are asking make that 30,000 the materials going low and they can finish that work in 10 days time. Zang ko le ta de ta lo nam de na. Kumai dito ko dito wages pai na ka na. But then we are paying, we don't have any other option. Kung ITI kuni na niyo. Course at pai na ay may explores the registers wo and another thing is polytechnic kuni kuma course kay la ni na kay polytechnic kuni after class 10 ko kuma class 10 ko na to further study ta kay nga mag-aid with ni kada polytechnic to pa ni gaye taw ni BTech ko ni kuma sa mi bang na BTech of 4 years ko pa ni mani professional course gay na ta ni vocational course ko ni with ni ITI ko tries in way polytechnic ko tries in way DDU GKY ko ni cabin crew to my food and beverage from training ko ni kuma kanito ta ko matina ba may to way explores in way and masala ni to ni kumna na ay way lang ni ko ani utong panti hai kuma ko ite na salam ni dari height ni na ni utong panti hai success utong lang ge to ke karam stoi na karam pang nang tong intelligence identify so na mi tong line to tawon pang to kuma ka success to play the masalani there is a saying in English God help those who help themselves first way loni na karam me way robot call way loni na karam me way robot call ni de so way come to career choice na ani ratana ba me ko way with a motive that to serve God through serving man masay ng same so na ba me na kung career ay me ko tayo na buto that is masay kung same way so na ba me harap kung same way ni mas na ba me tong dire pasalo ni tong ma so kay sa pura kung sala kung prohibited with I think I take exactly of 60 minutes ano pa ilang so ina yung lang na tatang ko kung question and answer ka ni ko daw ka kamay na ay na response mo tong level way to ni tong question round ko ni discuss sa ang ko pasalo ni tong ko ko
Every day, meron na kasi sa kanya.